get in and take a quick look around the cabin. So obviously this has a very modern design with a lot of modern materials. It's a full vegan interior, so you're not going to really notice any type of leather or anything in here. So we have a soft touch plastic on the top. We have this cloth trim that runs through here as well as on the speaker grills. We have some genuine black ash wood. Some more wood that runs through here, kind of a floating center console design with a little bit of storage on the side, wireless phone charging pad. So I have the big central display right here in the middle. This is going to be 11.2 inches, and most importantly, it's running the brand new Android Automotive OS. So this is not the same as Android Auto. This is a full infotainment system. This is the first car to have this fully implemented in. So it's got all the built-in things like Google Maps. Sort of really nice buttons through here for our audio system. Really cool shifter. It is hollow. Got the Polestar branding, which does illuminate right there. And as far as starting up the vehicle, you're going to put your foot on the brake, and when you shift, that's when it will boot up. Alright, let's go ahead and head out for our drive here. I won't do a ton of speaking throughout this. If you want to have full driving impressions, then make sure to check out our full review. But I will talk about a few basic specifications. To start out with, we have a 78 kilowatt hour battery. This is going to be a dual motor all-wheel drive system, producing 408 horsepower. And 0 to 60 is going to be about 4.4 seconds. Definitely has some kick to it. As you can tell, this road is in horrible condition, but the ride quality in here is very nice. Even though we have pretty large wheels, it absorbs the bumps very well. It also has a very solid feeling structure. Now there are different modes inside of the system. For your steering, you have your one pedal drive, so you can turn on standard, low, or off. Let's have it on standard right now, and you can also turn on and off creep where it rolls up at red lights. This doesn't have any types of sound effects or anything like that. It really doesn't have much sound at all. There's a little whirring, of course, from your electric motors, but nothing real noticeable. It's mostly just silence. It's a very nice and high quality cabin, like you already pointed out. I will say there's not a lot of storage, as you can probably tell, and we only have one cup holder located out here and then another one inside the console, but definitely would like to have at least another cup holder and have it in a better location, because it's very difficult to access having to pull your hand all the way back like that. general, definitely a cool electric vehicle. And of course, when you know, to boot it off or whatever, you're just going to get out and it will turn itself off.